Hello and welcome to Alpha English. I'm teacher Amanda. In this video, we will learn how to use prepositions of place. Prepositions of place. A preposition of place is a preposition that is used to refer to the location of something or someone. The most commonly used prepositions of place are at, in, and on. Let's see some examples using at. At the market. At the park. At the hospital. At home. At a restaurant. At the airport. At the bus station. At work. At school. At the cinema. At reception. At university. At the entrance. At the end of the road. At the window. At dinner. Now, let's see some examples using in. In a car. In the sky. In the picture. In the newspaper. In a lift. In the bathroom. In the living room. In London. In France. In the garden. In the kitchen. In a taxi. In the world. In bed. Here are some examples using on. On a train. On a plane. On a motorbike. On a bicycle. On a bus. On a ship. On the menu. On the fire. On the second floor. On TV. On the road. On a horse. Great work! Don't forget to like and subscribe to Alpha English for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.